Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can create your Snapchat account. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is open your Snapchat app. After opening your Snapchat app, here you can see two different options, login and sign up. In the blue color here you can see the option of sign up. Simply just tap on it in order to create yourself your Snapchat account. After tapping on the option here you can see the option of typing your first name and last name. Simply just type down your first name and last name. Here you can see I have successfully typed my first name and last name. So now tap on agree and continue. After tapping on agree and continue, now you have to add your birth date. So set your birthday. After setting your birthday correctly, now tap on continue. After tapping on continue, here you can see this is your username that Snapchat has given. In order to change your username, you can simply just tap on the change my username in the blue letter you can see right here. And from here, you can change your username. I'm going to keep the username that Snapchat has given to me. So if you are done with changing your username, tap on continue. Now you have to set a password for your Snapchat account. Write down a strong password for your account. And here you can see the requirement is for your password to be at least of 8 characters. So type down a password that should at least be 8 characters. After you have created yourself a password, now tap on continue. And now in here, what you're going to do is add down your email address. You can even add your phone number instead. So if you want to add your phone number, you can tap on use phone number instead, written in blue letter right here. I'm going to add my email, so I'm going to write down my email address. After you have successfully write down your email, tap on finish button. And here you can see Snapchat is asking for my phone number. You can write down your phone number in order to make your account more secure. But if you don't want to add your phone number, you can even skip it. I'm going to skip it. So in order to skip it, what you're going to do is tap on the skip button that you can see in the top right corner right here. If you want to create your Bitmoji right now, you can tap on continue. And if you want to skip, you can simply just tap on the skip button that you can see in the top right corner right here. And just like this, you have successfully created yourself your Snapchat account. You can tap on your profile right here. And you can see this is your account. And that is it. Pretty easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.